Hello friends, Running Kimono. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of May the 7th to the 13th. And on the 14th, we are going to be celebrating Mother's Day, just to note that. And there's lots of like little Mother's Day, goodies peppered in that. And we will definitely take a look at that as well. First thing I want to talk about, if you were so lucky to get one of these boosters, as you can see, the start date is from the 7th to the 13th. And yes, it stacks with a paper booster if you might be so lucky to get one. Again, it's that window of the 7th to the 13th. It is of a one-time use. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. And if you have that allergy booster still, yes, you can stack it, like spend 30 on allergy meds, get 10 back. It'll stack with that. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it's going to mess things up. And again, it does stack with the paper booster. Now, treat this video like a preview. We will not have the full flyer with all of the information until Sunday, May the 7th, along with digital coupons. So some of this we're kind of just like, crystal ball. Will this work? Will this not work? So just treat this video as a preview. If you could do me a huge kindness and please like this video, it would really help me out. If you could just take a quick second and like this video, I would be so grateful. It really helps me out if you take a quick second and just like the video. Okay, now, if you missed the video earlier this week, Ibotta has changed the verbiage on some of the rebates over at Walgreens where you cannot combine it with digital or manufacturer coupons. I'll link that video at the end, but just be careful before you submit your receipts to read the fine print. Also, if you missed it yesterday, I posted a video, Dollar General's having another clearance event, and I just kind of showed some of the stuff I've been finding over here in this video if you wish to watch it. I know a lot of Walgreens shoppers go over to Dollar General for the clearance event, and next weekend it is going to be like on fire. It's going to be crazy, especially if you like to get detergent and paper products. OMG, just watch my preview video, also linked at the end. Hopping right into the deals, we have a buy one, get two for free on the complete home food storage bags. These are spectacular. I'm going to say they're a lot like Glad or Glade, very similar. You would buy one for $2.79, get two for free. It shakes it out to 93 cents per box of plastic bags. And these bags are, especially if you're a home cook and go through a lot of them, a very solid deal. I always like the large storage bags for the freezer. Those are my favorites. Okay, we also have a whole bunch of $1.99 Walgreens nice products, including water and toilet paper, a lot of pretzels, cereals, and also these cuties, the $1.99 smaller trash bags. So if you were going to grab three and even mix and match, I would grab some toilet paper and some of those trash bags for $5.97. You can mix and match three different kinds, or I would grab three toilet papers. Let's be serious. Use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay 97 cents and call this a really smart deal. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can flip your Walgreens cash. If you're a newer couponer trying to build up your stockpile, it's just a smart deal. Now this is back, $1.99 Arm & Hammer. And if you're a newer couponer, this is a really good one. I would grab 10 for $19.90. I would use $20 in Walgreens cash, pay down the tax, and call this a really smart flip. Especially if you're a newer couponer trying to build up your stockpile, having 10 of these gorgeous detergents for $20 of Walgreens cash, super smart. Again, you're doing this without a booster, but just a really good flip of that old Walgreens cash. Okay, for the parents out there, we have some Pampers, 2 for $21. We also have a couple different 3 off of 2 digitals, depending what sizes you need. I'm going to load these training pants, 3 off of 2 digital. So grabbing 2 of those diapers, that's 21 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay 18. Get back a $4 register reward, $14 for the 2 or $7 per bag. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to still earn that $4 register reward. Interesting one, but we're not going to know till Sunday because I don't know the digital coupons that we're going to have to go with this deal. The Love Beauty and Planet 7 off 2 that we had has expired. when this week rolls around. But if Tresemme possibly gives us a high value coupon, this potentially could be a deal. Now, looking at this booster, let's make a deal. If you have the 10 back when you spend 50, of course it has to be in that date of the 7th to the 13th. Let's also throw in one of these paper boosters if you might have it. And we're going to grab a Crest white strip for at least $55 plus. And I'm going to show you the method to this madness. Currently, we have one digital coupon, which is a $5 off of one of those whitening strips. And then if you go to the site P&G Good Every Day, if you spend at least $50, Crest is in fact listed. You're going to get back a $15 gift card. Your balance has to be $50 or more for the rebate to go through. Looking at this, guys, grabbing one of the more fancier white strips for $59.99. Scan the booster at checkout. Have your booster loaded as well. The 10 back when you spend 50. The one $5 digital is coming off, so you're going to pay $54.99 with your debit card. I know that's quite a bit. You're going to get back $40 in Walgreens cash, $20 for spending $50 on the white strips, and then the two $10 boosters. And then photograph your receipt for P&G Good Every Day, send it off. Spend $50, get back a $15 gift card, so you're going to get that, essentially making this for free. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, but if you can line this up and you really like these white strips, this is a really good deal. Alternatively, if you do not like white strips, but you want to get one of these Oral-B electronic brushes, it's on the same promotion of spend 50, get back 20, so you might have to Frankenstein another deal that way. I don't see any digitals for this, though. Okay, the All Snuggle $3.99. There usually is a $1.25 or a $1.50 digital that shows up. Let's say a $1.50 digital. You would pay $2.49 for this detergent, so we'll have to wait and see what we get. And then also the Dollar Shave Club earned $3 when you spend 10 because the word spend is in there. You can't roll your Walgreens cash for this deal. Now, if you didn't use your digital coupon from a couple weeks back, we have a $6.99 off of 2. So we're going to utilize it for the deal. We're going to grab 2 of the cans of the Dollar Shave Club shaving cream for $11.98. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $4.99 with your debit card. Get back a $3 register reward or $3 in Walgreens cash. Shaking it out to $1.99 for the 2 or 99 cents per. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards because this is a spend offer. Okay, now we have the Dawn dish soap for $1.24. Earn $1 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of those, it's $2.48. Roll some Walgreens cash, do whatever you want. You're going to get back $1 register reward, shaking it out to $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. And it is okay to use some Walgreens cash as long as you're doing this without a booster. If you want to do this deal twice, you'd have to do it in 2 separate transactions because only 1 register reward will print per transaction. $7 for the Olay, Old Spice, those great body washes. Okay, let's load this 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of those body washes, it's $14 on the nose. Subtracting the $5 coupon, you're paying $9. Getting back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per body wash. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that $4 register reward. Okay, guys, I got this really weird $4 off of any Persil, and it's not like, buy the one that's a certain size. It's like on any of the detergent. This was printing out at Walgreens last week, so utilizing it at $6.49, subtracting that $4 coupon that came out of the Catalina machine, $2.49 for a Persil. That's a really good deal. And the Scott's paper towel, we have a $1.25 IVC, so the 6-pack of the paper towel or the 12-pack of the toilet paper will shake down to $3.75. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. As stated about Mother's Day, 50% off of the Russell Stouffer's or Whitman samplers. So that's a really good deal. I mean, throw some Walgreens cash in. Good Mother's Day gift. And then 2 for $10 for the Dove. So if you love your mom just a little bit extra, probably 2 bags of the Dove over that Whitman sampler. Let's be real about chocolate. And then most of us have a $3 digital for the Hallmark $3.99 card. You'd be paying 99 cents. Throw in $10 of Walgreens cash for that Dove chocolate. That's Mother's Day right there. Okay, let's talk about soda. 3 for $13.99. I think I saw a little something on one of my subscribers' site, 2 for $14 at a ShopRite. So soda's gotten so expensive. I think pharmacies are the place to buy it. Buy two, get one for free on the Coca-Cola as well. And then BOGO free for the cashew half pieces. That's a really good deal. Now, the next three, if digital coupons come through, these might be tremendous deals, including the Shea Moisture, which is earn 10 when you spend 25. And then with digital coupons, that potentially could be a better deal, along with the Febreze. Earn a $3 reward when you buy three. But do we have really good digital coupons on Sunday to go with this? Potentially can make it a much better deal if there's a couple. And the final one that potentially could be a better deal is the Crest. I don't like paying $1.66 for toothpaste, so if there's a better digital coupon, possibly a better deal. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.